Okay, well, we had a very windy, rainy night last night. Oh man, the winds here just can get so strong. Weather report was saying 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, 20 to 30 mile an hour steady winds. It was pretty intense. Last time I was here was pretty much the same deal. But beautiful place to wake up to. The sun is just coming up. And I did hear rain most of the night, but I think it was pretty light rain. It was the wind that was just kind of making it sound more intense. So poke my head out the back here, remind myself of where I'm camped out. Oh, this is such a neat spot. Wow. Talk about big sky country. Alright, we're gonna get back on the road. Oh, that wind is picking right back up. Let's get out of here. Alright, we're gonna try to make our way out of here. Did get a decent amount of rain last night. Might be some wet spots here. Go ahead and just go right out the same way I came in. Well, it's nice to see blue skies and sunshine. It's been overcast the last few days. Always nice to see the sun. A few soft spots here. Oh, another bighorn sheep up here on the right. You guys probably won't be able to see him. I wonder if that's the same one that was right outside my door. He doesn't have a collar on. It's a neat shot right there. Buddy? Some grass. Ah, this is beautiful country out here. Wow, there are a lot of bighorn sheep out here. Another group on this side, hillside up ahead. Really neat. Digging in here in some spots. Better be careful. Keep my momentum up. Okay, I'm gonna pick my speed up a little bit here. This looks kind of saucy. Yeah, it's a little greasy there. Potential to get stuck here, so I'm going to pick my speed up a little bit. Gotta be careful though. Ooh. Yeah, another not so good spot here. I'm going to have to kind of take left past these first two puddles, give it a little speed, and hook it right. Get out of this greasy stuff. Yeah, not getting stuck today. There was another shorter road to go out the other way. Probably should have checked that out. Might have been better. Alright, well that was a nice overnight. And I'm remembering now these cattle guards weren't here 5 years ago. Used to be just a gate that you had to get out, open up to get through, and then close it behind you to keep the cattle and wildlife from getting out to the road, but now they've put these cattle guards in, which is nice. We've got about 57 miles to Rapid City, South Dakota. Go in and get a fresh driver's license with a motorcycle endorsement. Stock up on groceries and figure out where the heck I'm going from here. You can hear all the mud slinging off my tires. Away we go. Alright, well, we just crossed over into Wyoming. Hello, Wyoming. Goodbye, South Dakota. Thank you, South Dakota, for giving me a driver's license and registering my vehicles. Appreciative. I'll be back in another 5 years. Alright, we're coming into Lusk, Wyoming. Population 1,500. I need to get some gas. Passing patches of snow on the side of the highway. Why is there getting snow here already? Check out Lusk, Wyoming. Interesting little town. This is cattle country out here. These wide open spaces, they got cattle grazing out there everywhere. There's my gas station. I got distracted. I need to stop, so I'm probably gonna have to turn around. The Rawhide Motel. Must be in Wyoming. Okay, well, we're picking up the next day here. We overnighted in Cheyenne, Wyoming last night, and here we are, coming into Nebraska, the good life. Hello, Nebraska. Goodbye, Wyoming. Actually, did end up overnighting in Wyoming. Really didn't plan on it. At a point right now where I kind of don't know what I'm doing or where I'm going. So for now, we're gonna go find a camp in Nebraska. Alright, this looks like it. Oliver Recreation Area, Oliver Reservoir. Wow, this is cool. There's more trees than I was expecting. It is free to camp here up to 14 days. I dig it. These trees will act as a little bit of a windbreak. Not much, but I'll take a drive around the loop here. Batteries are just about to die on my cameras here. The research I did online, it sounds like this place gets pretty busy in the summer. The swimming and boating and all that is an option. It's hot out here in the summer and cold in the winter. There's a lot of sights here. This is cool. Decent cell service. Should be able to hang out here a while. Hey, I dig this. Wow, you get right down to the water here. Yeah, there's a site right on the water. It's cool. What? I cannot believe how many campsites are here. There is at least 30, if not 50. Kind of a couple different sections here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull in right here. There was absolutely nobody else camped here. So I'm going to just kind of try to angle myself so I'm facing into the wind. So the van isn't rocking all over the place. Try to get nice and level and be right here by the water. There it is. Okay, well, I think I found a spot here. It is incredibly windy today. And yeah, that train does go by pretty close here. You can see it just going right by the highway here. Wanted to be by the water, by trees, but yet still get sun on the solar panels. So, I mean, the place is wide open, so I can definitely move around. Sounds like they do want you to fill out a little registration thing with your site number. So I'm gonna hold off on that till I kind of really decide this is where I wanna be. But for now, I'm just going to hunker down here for a little bit, get inside, get out of the wind. It is supposed to die down the next few days, so I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, I feel like this is kind of a gem. Water looks nice. If it wasn't so windy, I'd take my kayak out. All right, I'm gonna get out of this wind for a little bit. Well, the wind actually died down. It's almost hard to believe. I've been in such high winds. Oh, look at that sunset. In such high winds for about the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks solid. Water is actually kind of glassy there. I am loving this place, especially now that the wind died down. It is really peaceful here, and it looks like I'm still the only person camped here. Just really enjoying it. It's nice. It's cool out. It's funny, now that the wind has stopped, it's not that cold. It's really, I'm out here in just a fleece and my knit cap here.